Hi friends, today we are going to make one of the most popular Indian sweet dishes, that is Gulab Jamun. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for sugar syrup are sugar, water, saffron, cardamom powder and rose water. Now first we will take 250 grams of sugar and in that we will add 250 grams of water. We are going to boil this for around 3 to 4 minutes. We don't want any threads to form in our sugar syrup. Once our sugar melts, we are going to add 1 teaspoon rose water, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and few strands of saffron. Now we will cook this for another 2 minutes. Now we will check our sugar syrup. If it's sticky, that means it's done. Don't overboil it. If there are threads formed, then it won't allow the gulab jamun to soak all the sugar syrup inside. So this is done. Now we will allow it to cool down completely and then we will add our fried gulab jamun. Step 2. Ingredients required are Mava, paneer, MAIDA, milk powder, baking powder. First, we will take 125 grams Mava, also known as khoya. Just soften it. I've taken a soft Mava. With the help of your palms, just soften it more. Now in this, we will add 40 grams paneer. You all can check out the link how to make paneer by clicking the I button. Knead this till it's well combined. Now add 1/8 cup maida, 1 tablespoon milk powder. If you all don't have milk powder, you all can avoid using it. And half teaspoon baking powder. Now again mix everything and knead it until it's a smooth dough. I've kneaded it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now it is soft enough. Just take a small portion, make a ball. Now the size completely depends on you all. Just soften it between your palms again. And then keep rolling till it becomes smooth. Now we will fry it and if it breaks then we will add more maida. And now we will fry them on very slow flame. It's going to take a while. Don't increase the flame, otherwise it will be undercooked. Once it's golden brown, just remove the excess ghee and directly put it in the cool sugar syrup. Gulab jamuns are ready. I hope you all like it. If yes, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Simply Jain.